Victory Innovations offers a 12-inch and/or 24-inch extension wand accessory to make spraying hard-to-reach places easier and create more distance between the operator and the spray pattern. In order to use the extension wand, first use the nozzle wrench to insert the nozzle into the end of the wand. Lock the nozzle into the wand by turning the wrench 1/4 turn counterclockwise until the nozzle slides into the guides and you reach a stop. Then, insert the other end of the wand into the sprayer and lock it into place by slowly rotating the wand counterclockwise until it slides into the guides and you reach a stop. To remove the extension wand, slowly rotate the wand counterclockwise 1/4 turn until you reach a stop and gently pull out. Do not turn the extension wand clockwise, as this may damage the base unit and/or the wand. Remove the nozzle from the extension wand the same way you would remove it from the sprayer, by inserting the nozzle wrench into the end of the wand and rotating counterclockwise 1/4 turn until you reach a stop. Gently twist the nozzle wrench slightly clockwise to pull out.